How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Aviary today, where we are on an early access bird tour with VIPs at the one and only Chester Zoo. So right now we're in the Monsoon Forest habitat. There are so many rare, endangered, exotic birds that we're going to be seeing today as we tour all of the bird enclosures. So really looking forward to this today and hope you enjoy. So here in the Monsoon Forest is a bird called a black-browed barber, and believe it or not, it is the only bird of its species in the entirety of Europe. So I'm really keen to find that here in the Monsoon Forest. There's a cinnamon ground dove right there. I've just found a group of rural partridge here in the canopy floor. Right here is the most dangerous bird in the world. It's the southern cassowary. So now we're in the tropical realm, so let's see what exotic species are hanging around here. Got a crown pigeon right here. If we look just up there, there is a crown pigeon on the nest on a ventilation shaft. Right now I'm stood in one of the bird hives inside one of the forests at Chester Zoo, and we've got a load of wild type Java sparrows on the feeder behind me in this massive rainforest aviary. I'm stood next to this waterfall in the tropical realm, and it's just an amazing habitat. So much greenery, so much enrichment for the birds. There's a sunbitten sap right there. There's some pigeons or fruit doves having a bath in the actual waterfall. It's just amazing. Got a red folly sat on the feeder. Unbelievably, to turn up on the feeder right behind me was the Chachalo's Toroco. So there's one of the aviaries here behind me, and we've got a collared Trojan on it, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So behind me is an aviary with some Socorro doves in it. Now the Socorro dove is extinct in the wild, and Chester Zoo have 6 of them. I've managed to find one, we've caught it on camera, so let's take a look. Now we're at the Latin America Wetland Aviary. It's absolutely massive, so let's go inside and see what we can find.
it social, not mating? Yeah.
I've just got in shot a Asian glossy starling, and it's got the most piercing red eye. It's unbelievable. Take a look. We're in the Barley Temple habitat, and there's Mitchell's lorikeets, pied imperial pigeons, white-rumped sharmas, Java sparrows, barley miners, and red jungle fowl. So let's see what we can find. I'm just outside this absolutely beautiful aviary with Sumatran laughing thrushes in it. Now, they have been laughing, they've been making a lot of noise, but it's absolutely lovely in the sun, and they've been showing and even bathing for us. I've just discovered this big group of aviaries with a menagerie of different birds, so I'm looking forward to finding out what's in here. Squirrels. Show me that.
We'll start off with the advice and then I might take it permanently.
Anyway, everyone, that is all we've got time for on our bird tour at Chester Zoo today. So if you've enjoyed the video and you'd like to see more like this, please make sure to subscribe down below, smash a like on it and follow us on social media, Instagram, Facebook and TikTok for more behind the scenes footage. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.